The objective with Doppler echocardiography should always be to get parallel to flow, with an angle of incidence of close to 0 degrees or 0 degrees if possible. This will yield clear Doppler signals and allow us to identify key echocardiographic findings in significant valvular pathology. In cases of significant aortic regurgitation, we look at the abdominal aorta here in the subcostal view. With the ultrasound beam and waves traveling this way, it's common to see the abdominal aorta traveling horizontal to the ultrasound beam. The issue here is that this creates a 90-degree incidence angle, which yields a poor Doppler signal, which is not what we want when trying to prove that aortic regurgitation is in fact severe. So the objective is to reduce this angle and rock the probe and tilt the probe to bring the abdominal aorta more parallel to the ultrasound beam. Placing the sample gate here and looking for that forward flow in systole and reversal during diastole. The same goes for the suprasternal notch, except this will be reversed because the flow is now traveling away from the probe. So in the suprasternal notch view, we see the aortic arch. Flow will be traveling from the left ventricle to the aorta, going to the upper extremities, and traveling down here to the lower part of the human body. When we place the sample gate here, we will see again the same flow pattern except reversed. Systolic flow below the baseline and diastolic reversal above the baseline.